Hello students, welcome to social studies class. Today I am going to tell all about Mumbai. Okay, so Mumbai, you know, Mumbai is one of the metropolitan city which is located in Maharashtra. Okay, and the people of, I am going to discuss the people of Mumbai, what are the cultures they follow, what are the languages they use. Okay, different kinds of languages has been used in Mumbai. Okay, and why, what is Mumbai famous for? Okay, what is the reason Mumbai is so famous? Okay, and why Mumbai is called, so how the name came Mumbai. Okay, so that is on your chapter number 13, and the name of the chapter is itself is a Mumbai. Okay, chapter number 13, Mumbai. So let us go to Mumbai now. Let us travel in this chapter Mumbai. Okay, so I am going to tell the history of Mumbai first. Mumbai, earlier known as Bombay, is the capital of Maharashtra state. So earlier the name of the Mumbai was Bombay. Earlier it has been said as a Bombay, and it is the capital of Maharashtra state, which is present in India. So Mumbai lies on the west coast of India and faces the Arabian Sea. The Mumbai states that lies on the west coast side of India, and it is facing towards Arabian Sea. Mumbai has a natural harbor where ships ferrying people and goods from other countries and continents come and go. So Mumbai has a natural port. Okay, so natural harbor is a natural port, you can say. Where ships ferrying people, where ships carry people from one place to another place. Okay, whether it is present, the Mumbai is facing towards the Arabian Sea. Obviously the water body is present there, that is the sea. And obviously if sea is there, obviously ships will be there. Ships will carry the goods and the people from one countries to the other countries, that is import and export. Okay, not only the people, the goods for the trade purpose, for the business purpose. Okay, so the ship carry the goods and everything, okay, from one country to another, from one continent to another. Okay, so Mumbai, so here the ships ferrying people and goods. Okay, there is a oil drilling center called Mumbai High near the shore. Okay, so there is a oil drilling center is called as a Mumbai High. Okay, so Mumbai High, the oil drilling center is named as Mumbai High, which is near the shore. Okay, seashore. So obviously Arabian Sea, near the Arabian Sea is Delhi is facing towards the Arabian Sea. Bombay is facing towards the Arabian Sea. That is why shores will be there. Shore is a place, okay, shore is a place where water bodies are located. The areas nearby the areas are said to be the water body nearby the areas, the areas of water body or seas or any water body, you can say lake or you can say sea or ocean. Okay, so the areas near the water body is said to be as a shore. Okay, here seashores, Arabian Sea. Okay, seashore we say it as near the areas near the water body, that is the Arabian Sea. Okay, so here petroleum is drilled from the seabed. Okay, so petroleum is drilled from that seabed. Okay, a few hundred years ago, before the British ruled over India, Mumbai was the headquarter of British East India Company. So few hundred years ago, before British ruled over India, before British ruled our India, okay, our country, before British ruled, the Mumbai was the headquarter of British East India Company. Okay, so the headquarter Mumbai used to be the headquarter of British East India Company. Okay, the British East India Company is present on the was there in the Mumbai. Okay, the headquarters. Okay, so this company had trade relation with India. After independence, Mumbai was made the capital of Maharashtra. So British East India Company had the trade relation with India. Okay, through this company only they came to India. Okay, so through this company they had a trade relation, business purpose relation, good relation. Okay, trade purpose relation they started. Okay, here with India they really had the relation with this company, British East India Company. Okay, so Mumbai was, after the independence, Mumbai was made as the capital of Maharashtra state after it happened after independence. Being the capital of Maharashtra, all the state government buildings are located in Mumbai. So Mumbai being the capital of Maharashtra, is a capital of Maharashtra. Because of this, all the state government buildings are located in Mumbai. The governor, chief minister and other ministers of the state reside in this city. Mumbai, commercial capital of India. Mumbai is known as the commercial and entertainment center of India. The Fort area is the commercial center where there are many factories. Okay, so Mumbai is a commercial capital in India. In the first itself, I said you this Mumbai is one of the busiest, and has been used in commercial purposes. Most of the commercial areas are present in Mumbai where many factories you can find. Okay, and it is the center of entertainment center of India. Mumbai is the entertainment center of India. So the fort area in the commercial center where there are many factories. These factories make cotton cloth, oils, medicine, electronic goods. So in the fort areas there are many factories. Okay, these factories makes cotton cloths, then oils, then medicines, then electronic goods. Okay, so these are all the commercial things. Okay, the famous Hindi film and television industry, Bollywood, is located there. Yes, if you come to the entertainment, if Mumbai is said to be an entertainment center of India because of the Bollywood, because of the television. Okay, so because of the television, because of the entertaining people. Okay, because of the entertainment. Okay, so the Bollywood, the most famous Hindi film. Okay, Hindi film. So Hindi film and the film industry or a television industry, you can say, call it as a Bollywood, which is present in Mumbai. Okay, which entertained us. Okay, the Bollywood stars, the Bollywood, you say, like different names of stars, you can say Shah Rukh Khan and all these things are Bollywood stars. Okay, so they entertained us. The main entertainment is present in Mumbai. Okay, the Mumbai Suburban Railway, best buses, taxis, auto rickshaws, ferries and aeroplanes are the various means of transport in the city. Okay, so Mumbai not only famous for the entertainment and commercial purposes, okay, for the business purposes, but it is also famous for suburban rails and the best buses for the citizens of Mumbai, for the people of Mumbai. They get the best buses, taxis, auto rickshaws and ferries. That ferry is a boat or a ship. We travel in a water, okay, through water, boat or ship, whatever you call it as. So boat, ship is a ferry. Okay, ferry and aeroplanes. Okay, so aeroplanes are the various means of transport you can find in Mumbai. Okay, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport of Mumbai is the busiest airport in India. So Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, it is, as I said, international airport. The plane comes and lands here and takes off for the international, that is from other countries. They come and land, the plane come and land here, and from this airport the plane takes off also to the other countries. It's an international airport, okay, from different countries, connections with the different countries. Okay, so Mumbai is the one of the busiest, you can say, busiest airport in India. I mean, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, which is located in Mumbai, is the busiest airport in India. The Bombay Municipal Corporation, BMC, or the Municipal Corporation for Greater Mumbai, looks after the water supply, road and garbage collection in the city. The BMC, that is Bombay Municipal Corporation, or the Municipal Corporation, you can say, they look after the members of the Municipal Corporation look after the water supplies. Okay, whether the people of Bombay are getting proper water supply, then roads, whether the roads are laid properly, they look after, they take care of the roads, and not only the garbage collection in the city, they collect the garbages, okay, from the city and burns. Okay, so they look after that Bombay Municipal Corporation, or you can say it as Municipal Corporation also. Okay, so their work is to take care of that city. Okay, so take care of that city and the needs and necessity of the public of that city. Okay, that Bombay city. Okay, so places of interest. What are the interesting places are present in the Mumbai? There are many interesting places, buildings and monuments in Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. So Mumbai, there are many interesting places are there, many monuments, many sculptures, many things are there in Mumbai. Okay, the Gateway of India is the most well-known landmark. So Gateway of India is the landmark of Mumbai, most well-known landmark. Okay, so go to anywhere and say Mumbai means you wait for me in the Gateway of India. So anybody can tell this is there is Gateway of India. That is a landmark. Okay, so landmark, very famous landmark. The Jahangir Art Gallery and National Gallery of Modern Art are popular art galleries. So Jahangir Art Gallery is said to be a very huge room where art's getting collected. So it is said to be an art gallery. Okay, if you say a photo gallery, okay, so where photos in mobile itself you call it as photos gallery. Okay, photo gallery is there. You go and get it all the photos over here. The collection of things we keep in the gallery. Okay, so here the art gallery, the collection of art is kept in a huge room or in a huge room, that is said to be a gallery. Okay, so gallery and the National Gallery of Modern Art are popular art galleries. These two are the most popular art galleries which are present in Mumbai. There is also a very popular zoo named Jijamata Udayan. So one popular zoo, the name of the zoo is Jijamata Udayan. Okay, so the Elephanta Caves are on the Elephanta Island, which is just 10 kilometers away from Mumbai. There are many rock cut temples on this island. So Elephanta Caves are on the Elephanta, that is a cave. Okay, so cave gufa, you can say the cave which is present on Elephanta Island. Okay, which is located in 10 kilometers away from Mumbai. Okay, so 10 kilometers away from Mumbai. There are many rock cut temples, that is the temples which are made of rocks. Okay, sandstones. Okay, rock cut temples. Okay, now the temples which are not made of cement and wood, that is a rock cut. Okay, so made of rocks and sandstones. Okay, all this is said to be a rock cut temples. So Nariman Point, Girgaon Chowpatty, Juhu Beach. Girgaon Chowpatty is beach. Girgaon Chowpatty is a beach, and Marine Drive are the beach areas of Mumbai. These are the names of beach areas of Mumbai. What are the names? Nariman Point, Girgaon Chowpatty, Juhu Beach, Marine Drive. Okay, so the beaches are located in Mumbai. The Tarapurwala Aquarium has a huge number of fish and water animals. So aquarium, by the name of aquarium, what do you mean? The aquarium is a transparent tank which is made of glass. Okay, where live fish and other plants are kept inside. Okay, Okay, live fish like gopi, like golden fish, all this kind of fish, all this kind of beautiful fish are kept inside live. Okay, so a live fish were kept inside the aquarium. It is a transparent tank made up of glasses. Okay, that is Tarapurwala Aquarium. The name of that aquarium is Tarapurwala Aquarium. Has a huge number of fish and water animals. Okay, so Azle World is a theme park near Gorai Beach. So Azle World is a theme park, amusement theme park. Okay, that is enjoyable theme park which is near Gorai Beach. Asia's largest theme water park. Water Kingdom is also located in Mumbai. So the Asia's one of the largest, Asia's largest theme park, that is Water Kingdom, is also located in Mumbai. So amusement park is a park where people go for the enjoyment. Many rides are present. Okay, like merry-go-round is there. Then Himalayan Falls are there. Many water rides, many car racings are there. Many rides are there, etc. etc. Many rides are, the names of many rides I can tell here. The lots of rides are present here where people go and feel relaxed and enjoy their movements. Okay, so enjoy themselves. There is a theme park. It is said to be as amusement parks. Okay, so Water Kingdom, Asia's largest theme park, amusement water park, is also present in Mumbai. That is Water Kingdom. Some other places in Mumbai like Prince of Wales Museum and Hanging Garden attract tourists around the year. So some other interesting and fascinating places are the Hanging Garden, then museums, that is Prince of Wales Museum. Okay, so museum is a place where ancient things are collected which we cannot see normally. If you go to the museum, you can see the ancient things, ancient types of coins you can see. Nowadays the coins are, we are using 1 rupee, 2 rupees coins. The olden, the kings used gold coins and the silver coins or the copper coins, that kind of coins. And you can see vessels made of mud. Okay, so nowadays very rarely you can see, but very rarely you see what the cloths have been, the swords of the kings, the kingdom, the clothes of the queen, jewelry of the queen, what are the antique pieces you can say. Museum is a place where antique pieces are collected. We can go there and watch all the antique pieces, okay, which is vanished, which we cannot see normally. The antique pieces we can go there and see, okay. So what kind of stamps has been used 1,000 years ago? So all these antique pieces has been collected in the museum only, okay. Mumbai is also home to 3 research institutes. So Mumbai is also called as a home of 3 main research institute, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, in short TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, which is present in Mumbai. Indian Institute of Technology, okay, this is also a research center which is present in Mumbai, that is Indian Institute of Technology. Bombay and the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, this is also present in Mumbai. The 3 main research centers are present in Mumbai, and the name of the research center are Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Indian Institute of Technology, and Bombay and the Bhabha Atomic Research Center is also located in Mumbai. Okay, the main research centers are present in Mumbai. So language and festivals. What are the languages and festivals have been used and celebrated in Mumbai? Let us see this one. The people of Mumbai speak many languages such as Marathi, Konkani, Sindhi, English. So people of Mumbai speaks many languages: Marathi, Konkani, Hindi, Sindhi and English. Many different languages has been spoken in Mumbai of Mumbai people. Okay, so Bombli, Batala, Vada Pav, Pani Puri, Pav Bhaji and Bel Puri are famous snacks. Yes, Pani Puri. Even Pani Puri is famous for almost all the children. Almost all people like Pani Puri. In fact, I also love Pani Puri. Okay, so Pani Puri, Pav Bhaji also I love really. So Pav Bhaji, these are the famous snacks you can say. Okay, not snake, it is a snack. Okay, so snack is a famous snacks in Mumbai. Okay, the famous popular snack you can say. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated in the city. The climate in Mumbai is usually warm and damp. So Ganesh Chaturthi, you have heard about the name of Ganesh Chaturthi, is the main festival which is celebrated by Mumbai people. Okay, it is celebrated in Mumbai. Okay, and the climate of Mumbai is usually warm and damp. So here ends the discussion of this chapter. If you have any doubt, any questions regarding this chapter, take the phone and with the help of your parents, dial my number and make a call between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Surely I'll clarify all your doubts. Thank you.